Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the color theme in Visual Studio Code. It's pretty simple, let's get started. To do this, open the settings at the bottom left corner, and here we see color theme, file icon theme, and product icon theme. First choose color theme, and we can choose any color theme what you want. If you haven't the color theme which you want, you can choose browse additional color themes and choose it from here. There are a lot of themes there. I think you will definitely find something for yourself. Choose any theme, for example these. After choose install, and the theme is installing, and after you can choose it from this list. Here it is. Next, let's change file icons, these icons. To do this, open the settings, then select file icon theme, and you can choose any option: none, emoji, material, minimal, or you can also install additional file icon themes. Click on it and choose any file theme from this list of extensions. Choose your file theme, click install, and next you will see this icon theme in this list. That's good. Moreover, you can change product icon theme. These icons, you can choose default, emoji, or you can browse additional product icon themes from this list. If you haven't these tabs, here color theme, file icon theme, product icon theme, you can open command palette, then type theme, and you will see color theme, file icon theme, product icon theme, and even change folder theme and other theme options. For example, choose color theme, and we are in the same list of themes where we were earlier. I choose Quiet Light. Okay. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.